apply Bifen or Talik every 3 months for routine perimeter treatments and more often during high pest pressure. Both Bifen and Talik are bifenthrin-based products that provide residual control by creating a treated barrier on exterior surfaces. For typical homeowner maintenance, apply a coarse, low-pressure spray to foundation walls, entry points, and around windows and eaves at the label rate, and plan to retreat every 3 months because ultraviolet light, rain, and normal surface wear reduce residual activity over time. During warm months, when insects are most active, shorten the interval to every 6 to 8 weeks and focus treatments after heavy rain or irrigation that can wash residues away. Always follow label mixing instructions carefully, measuring concentrate with a calibrated container and using the correct dilution for the target pest and surface type. Wear personal protective equipment listed on the label when mixing and applying, and avoid spraying blooming plants to protect pollinators. Keep a treatment log noting date, product, dilution, application location, and weather so you can objectively assess performance and adjust timing instead of guessing. Common mistakes include reapplying more frequently than the label allows, which can cause unnecessary exposure and violate regulations, so check the product label limits and do not exceed the maximum annual application rate. Another frequent error is treating only visible hotspots while ignoring the full perimeter and likely entry routes, so map the structure and treat contiguous areas including garage gaps and utility penetrations. A third issue is failing to monitor results after treatment. Set simple checks like sticky traps or weekly visual inspections, and if activity persists, verify correct dilution and coverage or consider alternate products or professional assistance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like long-term pest management, so we can help homeowners find local professionals and contractors can find work opportunities. We also host an active discussion community where users share treatment experiences, timing strategies, and product tips so our members can learn from real-world results.